So I'm thinking we're gonna do like a very soft, no parted flexi rod set because I want it to be very, you know, body lengthy, and that's why I love flexi rod sets. I feel like perm rod sets give you more of a tighter curl, and flexi rod sets give you more of like that loose spiral. I'm gonna section my hair different this time. Usually I do 5 sections, but I'm gonna go straight across like that for body. So I'm gonna start in the back. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And like my mama would say, I show you better than I can tell you. Now, here's the thing. I really wanted to do a voiceover because one, I was rushing. This was the day before my engagement pictures, and I needed this set to come out perfect, and I needed to lock in. And a big thing about flexi rod set specifically is like the drying time. I do feel like flexi rod sets dry faster than perm rod sets, but specifically with this flexi rod set, I put a lot of rollers in because I feel like you can always overdo it and like make it come out to be. But if you do your sections too big, that is why a lot of people hair frizz. And on top of that, when you do your hair and you are not putting enough product, your hair will not come out right. I repeat, your hair will not come out right if you do not put enough product. I feel like a lot of people kind of feel like whenever they're doing their hair that this might be too much. I might be putting too much in my hair. That's what everybody tell me whenever they ask me how I do my hair. They say, I feel like I might be putting too much. And I say, I guarantee you're not putting enough. So that's like a big thing, especially because I have thick natural hair and I did this on a blowout. I wanted a quick drying time. I didn't want any issues because usually with my roots would be like more crinkly and curly whenever I do just a flexi rod set on just my normal washed hair. So I do like doing like a twist out with flexi rods in it whenever I just do it natural, if you wanted to do that option. But for me and mine, on this good day, I was like, I want a very seamless, nice, perfect flexi rod set. No frizz was there. It lasted all day. It was so perfect. So shout out to Donna's Recipe. And if you are looking for like great products and they're really a great price, you can find them at donnasrecipe.com. And I have a coupon code, which is YanaBana, or you can go to Ulta. It's a few other places that actually sells the product, but you know, shout out to Donna's Recipe, Tabitha Brown, and all the things to support her. So yeah, I just wrap in a specific way as well. It's not the normal standard. I just do like the spiral type curl. And I will say a big thing that I realized as well is mixing my rollers. So I always would do one roller set and I would use one like roller type, but I noticed like I think I might have layers, a little bit of layers, because my hair grows in a V, but it's not like cut layers. And so the way that like give you that volume and that dimension is doing different size rollers in your head and like going in between. But yeah, so I ended up finishing the back path of my hair, and this part was literally just going to be focused strictly on making sure the front of my hair did what it needed to do. Okay. And so I kind of play it by ear because you have to know your hair. Everybody hair is a little different because like just the way that my hair kind of falls on my head is different. So I really focus on my crown area because I do not like the middle of my head looking flat. So typically what I'll do is, as you see, I'm like twisting the hair down to where I know it's going to be laid. But I will roll my hair and I'll roll the rollers to fall backwards to give my hair volume. So you can see like I'm rolling it down versus like falling in front, if that makes sense. I literally kind of do them different every time I do my hair because I kind of want to see just what a minor change will do. And I'm telling you, like, doing your hair, blowing it out first makes it look different. Doing a cream versus a foam makes it come out different. If I like do these type of twists on my head and like just kind of twist them, rolling them versus like an actual 2-strand twist, that makes it come out different. If I do braids and roll the ends, that makes it come out different. But my main thing was I wanted the Flexi Rods set to come out perfect. So just watch how I kind of roll it, because it's easier to see. You can see kind of how I layer the orange and the purple. And you can do this with any color, any size, any shape. I've just started with the like cute little thin pink rollers. So let me know if y'all want to see that video too, because it gives like wash and go. Like, it is so pretty. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'm gonna continue to do my hair. And the funny thing is, I did not have time to record my takedown, but you can check out some of my other videos to show the takedown. I usually just add like some type of oil, hair and scalp oil from Donna's Recipe line is really good. I like how it's thick and it's not like super oily, so it's not heavy on my hair. And yeah, so just kind of see the way that I do it, and then you can kind of pull to see how would you want to do it. Would you want to make your sections bigger, smaller? And yeah, and now for the grand finale. This is the front of your hair, and so I went from purple to orange to purple. You can go any, you know, whichever rollers that you prefer, whichever way that you want to do. But I literally wanted to overemphasize the curls to make sure that everything was good and juicy. So in the front, you might pay a little bit more attention to, just because whenever I roll them, I'm rolling them going towards my face. So if you see the direction that some of the rollers are pointing, they're going in different directions and like falling down. And so specifically for the front, I made sure that my rollers were rolled the same way, but instead of just going back, they were facing front. And y'all, I was pretty confident. I was excited. You just know your rod set gonna hit different when it's done. Like you can tell how it's gonna be as soon as you put that last roller in. Like, you look at it, you can see how smooth, how crisp everything is. There's literally no frizz. You see my roots are laid, and that's how you know it's gonna do what it needs to do. So I wish I was able to record myself taking them down, but you can literally look on my other videos to see how I take it down. I take it down the same way. Oh, look at how it came out. Make sure you have that pic. And as always, I'm sending you positive vibes, peace, love, and prosperity. Ta-ta!